Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. RVD here, and we'll be going ahead with one more video containing one more simple C program. So it's going to be a video from my playlist, a course on C programming, where C programming is simplified. So now before we move ahead, a very humble request to you all. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. You can see the subscribe button right down there. If you've already subscribed, do help me in spreading this to more significant audience which are in a state of learning C programming, and they are searching for a very simple and a very lucid language for understanding C programming. So I hope you would be helping me in spreading this to all your acquaintances, and thanks a lot for that. So let's go ahead with the current video. In this, we will be implementing a program for calculating the distance between 2 points. And every point is represented using its x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, so the distance formula goes like this. There's one typo that I have done here. So it is square root of y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. Now how do we do that? Let us see. So the input that I'll be taking would be 4 coordinates of your 2 points. So it's like we will require float x1, or maybe we are taking it as float so that maybe fractions can also be taken. x1, y1, x2, y2, and for distance we are keeping d, or maybe you can even go for dist. So the very first question is enter coordinates of point 1. Okay, coordinates will be taken as x1 and y1. So it will be scanf %f, and it will be ampersand x1 ampersand y1. Be very careful while doing this, because unknowingly you will end up in putting x1 and x2, which is not correct, because I am taking x and y coordinates of point 1. So it has to be x1 and y1. Okay, similarly you have to do it for second. So enter coordinates of point 2, which would be now x2 and y2. Okay, fine. So we got coordinates with us. Now we have to apply the distance formula, which you can already see at the top in your comment. But if you see, to apply this formula, I need to calculate the square root. As we've already seen in my previous videos, we have a math library. So if you have not seen that video, you can very well check this playlist. You have got wonderful videos to complete the basic fundamentals of C programming before coming up to the actual programming of some typical topics. Okay, so you can very well check that math library. There we had seen that we have a library function to calculate the square root, which is sqrt. But if at all you have to use any library functions, you have to add up the corresponding library, header file. And the header file for math related functions is math.h. Okay, so we'll go up and we'll include that math.h file. Okay, and then we will continue with the distance formula. So dist is going to be sqrt in bracket. Okay, one bracket would be for y2 minus y1. Okay, the whole square, I would prefer going as multiplying it twice rather than making it complicated by applying the pow function. Okay, plus I'll be having x2 minus x1 the whole square. So again I'm multiplying it twice. Okay, let us check. So you can see y2 minus y1 into y2 minus y1, which makes it y2 minus y1 the whole square, plus x2 minus x1, again the whole square, and you can see the outer bracket for sqrt. So I've got the answer in this variable, let's say dist. So I'm going to print that, okay, as the distance. So distance equal to percent point to f, okay, slash n, and I'll be printing dist. Okay, so that's it. That's how I'm going to find the distance between 2 points. Let us again compile and check whether it is getting compiled properly. Yes, it is. So we are going to now execute. Maybe initially to start with, I'll go for very simple coordinates, like suppose 0, 4, and second coordinate is 0, 9. It's an obvious distance we should get, which is 5. Okay, so just to start and understand that the things are working fine, it is correct. Okay. Yeah, so maybe I go for one more execution. Suppose I go for 0 and 3 and 4 and 0. If you have understood that it is 3 and 4 which is going to form a right angle triangle, and ideally it should give you again the distance 5 coincidentally, but if you get it here, it will prove the point again that it is working fine. Anyways, it's also a simple formula based program, okay, which is accepting the input, applying the formula and generating the output. Only thing is that here we have tried doing something a bit more lengthy, taking like 2 coordinates of the first point, then the 2 coordinates of second point, applying the distance formula, we have used math function and so on. Fine, so this is how we can implement distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have liked it. Do like the video, share it with all your friends and the acquaintance. Thank you and happy learning.